हेलो गाइस, आज हम अपनी चैनल पर देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से आयनिक कंपाउंड्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड, बेसिकली आयनिक कंपाउंड्स क्या है? दोज कंपाउंड व्हिच हैव आयनिक बॉन्ड आर कॉल्ड आयनिक कंपाउंड्स। Who is not know about the ionic bond, please I will provide link in my description box from where you can watch that video, right? So formation of ionic compound, as you know, ionic compound, take some example like as NaCl, magnesium chloride, magnesium oxide, right? And also sodium nitride, etc. So basically I take one by one of ionic compound. So firstly, formation of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. As you know, sodium have atomic number 11 and chlorine have atomic number 17. As you know, the electronic configuration of sodium is 2A1, while in case of chlorine atomic number have 17, the configuration should be 287, right? If you want to see how the electrons are present in different cells, as you know, this is nucleus. This is the first cell in which 2 electrons are present, which is represented by dot. Second cell, which have 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the third cell, that is outermost cell, have 1 electron. In case of chlorine, the nucleus, 2 electron first cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electron in second cell, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron in the outermost cell. This is the outermost electron. Similarly, this is the outermost electron. So this outermost electron is represented by dot or cross on the symbol of element. So sodium have outermost electron 1, which is represented by dot, right? So this structure in which outermost electron is represented as dot-like structure, this is called Lewis structure. In case of chlorine, there is 7 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron. As you know, for completing its octet means outermost should be 8 electron. 8 electron होना चाहिए. अब इसके पास यहाँ पर 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, या तो अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ले ले, या 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज कर दे, अभी आउटर मोस्ट बन जाए. तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करना आसान है एज कंपेयर टू टेकिंग 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So that's why sodium transfer 1 electron to the chlorine, and then sodium got 1 positive charge because they transfer only 1 electron, and chlorine got 1 negative charge because they obtain only 1 electron. So the configuration 2,8, but here 2, 8, 7. I'm sorry, 2, 8, 8. So sodium ion and chloride ion are bind with the ionic bond, and this ionic bond is present between the two oppositely charged species. So these are the formation of sodium chloride. Now the second example, formation of magnesium chloride. That is MgCl2. So magnesium have 12 atomic number. So they have 2, 8, 2 electronic configuration, right? And chlorine have 17. So the 2, 8, 7. Similarly here also 17. 2, 8, 7. Why we taking 2 chlorine? Because MgCl2 have 2 chlorine atoms. So here magnesium is represented by 2 electrons because they have outermost 2 electrons. So there is a Lewis dot structure. Similarly, chlorine have 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for completing its octet, magnesium give 1 electron to this chlorine and this electron to this chlorine. After that, magnesium is converted into Mg2 plus, and chlorine minus and chlorine minus, they are attracted by electrostatic force, that is ionic bond. So this is the formation of MgCl2. Right? Now taking another example, that is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, that is MgO. So the magnesium have 12 atomic number, the configuration 2A2, right? Oxygen, that is 8 electron, so 2, 6. So magnesium outermost have 2 electron, that is denoted by cross. Oxygen is having 6 electron in the outermost cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for completing its octet, 2 electrons are given to the magnesium to the oxygen. So the magnesium got 2 positive charge and oxygen got 2 negative charge, so they are attracted to each other. So this is the formation of magnesium oxide. Now formation of sodium nitrite. As you know, here 3 sodiums are present, right? Like this, sodium, sodium, sodium. As you know, each sodium have 281, 281, 281, and nitrogen have 7. 7 means 2, 5. So each sodium have 1 electron on the outermost, but nitrogen have 5 electron. 5 electron. So for completing its octet, this sodium gives 1 electron. Then the sodium got the 1 positive charge and nitrogen got the 3 negative charge, because they taken 3 electrons. So they are bind with an ionic bond, that is the formation of sodium nitrite. So these are all about the ionic compound, how the formation of ionic compounds occur. So thank you for watching this video.